Okay, good morning, sir. Can you state your name, please?
Douglas Tyrese Williams.
Mr. Williams, you're here today on initial appearance for a couple of felony matters. We have attempted first-degree murder and possessing a firearm as a prohibited possessor. You do have a right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You do have a right to assistance of counsel, and there is counsel seated next to you to assist on today's date. The state is recommending that bond be set the amount of $1 million plus release to pretrial services. Mr. Poston, any additional record?
Your Honor, state would just wants to reiterate the absolute brutality of the allegations in the PC statement. Apparently, this person had some sort of dispute with the victim, and a week after an initial argument, the defendant arrived, sought out the victim, shot him 4 times, tried to shoot him again in the face, but apparently the weapon jammed. He cleared the malfunction, fired it 4 more times into the air, and then shot the victim an additional 5 times. Your Honor, it doesn't get more dire than this. And plus, to add on to that, he's a prohibited possessor. The fact that this person is still alive is an absolute miracle. $1 million.
Okay.
And Your Honor, we don't know what his current condition is.
Mr. Gibson, any additional record?
Yes, Your Honor. I mean, I understand that $1 million is as a rule of thumb for actual first-degree murder case. This is attempted murder. At this point, I think a bond of no more than $250,000 would be appropriate.
Okay. All right. Court is going to institute bond in the amount of $500,000 cash or secured with release to pretrial services if the bond is posted. Court finds that the defendant, based upon the allegations information before the court, does present a danger to the community, which requires high bond be set. If Mr. Williams does post bond, there will be some conditions of release: no alcohol or illegal drugs, no firearms or weapons, and any firearms are still in the defendant's possession should be surrendered to the appropriate law enforcement agency. Follow monitoring or treatment as directed by pretrial services. Court will order appointing the Pima County Public Defender's Office to represent Mr. Williams. And then, Mr. Williams, your next court date is a preliminary hearing at the Justice Court. That's at January 21st, 2025, 1:30 p.m. Failure to appear at that hearing could result in a warrant being issued for your arrest. And then, sir, any questions before we conclude? Okay.
No.
Okay, thank you, sir. You are excused.
So she can. Stuff for the